Hello and welcome. We have another unboxing today, and that is we have the Insta360 X3, which is a 360-degree pocket action cam. This came out a couple of weeks ago. The previous model was the X2, and the X3 takes the notch up quite a bit. So inside the actual box, what we have is the X3, the charging cable, and the protective pouch, a quick start guide, as well as a lens cloth. Now, what is unique about this camera is that it takes 360 degrees capture in 5.7K. It's got a singles lens mode, 72 megapixel 360 photo, Active HDR video, invisible selfie stick support, FlowState Stabilization, 360 degrees horizon lock, and waterproof to 10 meters. It does have voice control and AI-powered editing. So compared to the X2, the key difference physically, what you will notice is the size of this LCD screen. The X2 was a small circular one, the size of a coin. This is a full multi-touch, full touch LCD screen. So as you can see, it's great for people who want to surf, ride a bicycle, take it on a motorbike, skateboard, or just generally vlog around the city. So without any further ado, we can get into unboxing this. And here what you have is the actual device, QR code to get access to the 360 app. Let's start off with having a look at what's inside the box. So inside the box, what we should have are a bunch of cables. So we've got the cable in here, we've got the pouch, and we have the quick start guide, instructions on the waterproofing, the warranty card, the compliance information, some microfiber cloth, and some stickers. The cable by itself should be USB-C and USB-A on one side, so you can use this to charge as well as I believe to sync. This by itself is the case, the protective case to carry the camera. So quite nice quality. The device by itself fits in the palm. It is heavier than what I expected, to be honest. I didn't realize it's going to be that chunky, but it does feel very, very solid. It's got the plastic protector on the top. It's got the power button, it's got an action button, it has got a USB-C port as well. So this is the USB-C port. where other accessories can also be plugged in. The battery compartment. At the bottom, you've got some capacitive buttons as well, and you've got the tripod mount at the bottom. So along with this, what I did also get was this Insta360 invisible self stick. So 1.5 meters extendable with a fold out tripod. This is really solid. You have the tripod at the bottom, and this is the extension. So quite solid. It's got a really good grip to it. And the last thing to get this going, because it doesn't come with any memory, is a 128 GB memory card. So with that, we can get started on setting this up. Pull out the battery. So I take the sticker off, and then this way, push it back in. So I already have the Insta360 app on my phone. New device connected, and there we go. Confirm it on the screen. Identifies the device. Connecting via Bluetooth, so you obviously need to have Bluetooth to join the Wi-Fi network. And there we go. It'll connect through, once it pairs up through Bluetooth, it uses the Wi-Fi network. It does say there's a new firmware, so it's always good to download the latest firmware and then get that uploaded through back into the camera. So now with the update successful, we need to reconnect the camera. So I can look for it, connecting it via Wi-Fi, look for activation, and we do the registration. So now you've got this paired up to here. You can straight away connect up, and then through Wi-Fi the image is already passed over to the thing. So, and this is really good, because as you can see, I'm actually looking at my room in a 360 degree mode.